How to hide an element in Elementor. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. Here we have our Elementor editor and we want to hide this headline. So what you're going to do is first you're going to select the element like by clicking on this little pencil that you want to hide, and then instead of going to content you're going to go over to advanced and scroll down to the responsive section. And then here you're going to have three different options, and you can hide on desktop, hide on tablet, and hide on mobile. So that's how you're going to hide elements in Elementor. Depending on the device, those elements will be hidden. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. And if you found it useful, please hit the like button and maybe subscribe. Finally, take a look at these videos that I linked here and check out the links in the description box below. I've put together some things that I think are particularly useful for what we covered in this video and for you in general. Some of them are affiliate links, so if you end up purchasing any products through them, I may receive a commission. Thank you so much for that support. It helps me to make more videos for you in the future. I hope you enjoy your Elementor journey.